open your course book. Open your course book, volume 3. All of you open your course book, volume 3. Here we are going to learn about the articles. We are going to learn about the articles. What are articles? A and the are called as articles. What are articles? A and the. These three are called as articles. Okay? Now, where we have to use a, where we have to use and, where we have to use the, I will explain you. Listen carefully. Okay? మనం ఏ ఇక్కడ యూస్ చేయాలి? Before the consonant sound. We have to use a before the consonant lettered word or the sound. Do you know alphabet? What are alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called as articles. So these are called as alphabet. A to Z are called as alphabet. A to Z are called as alphabet. These are alphabet. Here A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Entivi vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Amma, I'm erasing A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, no? Remaining letters. Remaining means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called as consonants. These are called as consonants. What are these? Consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. What are consonants? Amma, A is a vowel now. So it is not consonant. B is a consonant. C is a consonant. D is a consonant. F is a consonant. G is a consonant. H is a consonant. I is a vowel. I enter ikkada. Vowel. So J is a consonant. K is a consonant. L, M, N. O is the vowel. Okay. P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. What are these? These are consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Understand? Amma, totally 26 letters are there in alphabet. In 26 letters ఉంటాయి కదా మనకి A to Z వరకు. A to Z వరకు 26 letters ఉంటాయి. అందులో 5 అంటే A, B, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. ఈ 5 vowels మిగతా 21 ఏంటి? Consonants. Understand me? These 21 letters are consonants. These 5 A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Understand now? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. These remaining letters are the consonants. Okay? Now, here see Nana. Dash book. Dash book. What is first letter of book? What is the first letter? First letter is B. B no? B is vowel or consonant? చెప్పండి B vowel and A, E, I, O, U మాత్రమే vowels నానా. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are only vowels. ఇవి మాత్రమే vowels. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి B O okay book. B is vowel or consonant? B is the consonant. Before the consonant word, we have to use A. Understand అవుతుందా మీకు ఇక్కడ? Consonant ముందు ఏం పెట్టాలి మనము? Before the consonant word, we have to use A. Before the consonants, we have to use A. Next, rat. R-A-T, rat. First of all, we have to see the first letter. Rat lo first letter ఏంటి చెప్పండి అన్న? What is the first letter in rat? R. R is the vowel or consonant? R is the vowel or consonant? R vowel or? It is the consonant. Before the consonant, what we have to use? We have to use A. Next, pen. P-E-N, pen. What is first letter? In P-E-N, pen. What is first letter? P. P is vowel or consonant? It is also consonant. Before the consonant, what we have to use? A or and? A. Very good. Okay? So, before the consonants, we have to use A. మనము ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ చూసుకోవాలి. ప్రతి వర్డ్ కి ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ చూసుకొని అది ఓవెలా కాన్సోనెంటా. కాన్సోనెంట్ అయిందనుకో ఏ పెట్టాలి. హియర్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ గివ్. Net. N-E-T, net. What is first letter of net? N. N is a vowel or consonant? Consonant. So what we have to use? A. Very good. Okay? These are the consonants. Now, vowels. Apple. What is this? Apple. Amma, what is the first letter of apple? First letter is A. A is the vowel or consonant? A is the vowel. A-E-I-O-U. These are vowels now. So A is the vowel. Before the vowel, what we have to use? Before the vowel sounded word, we must use and. ఏం చేయాలి మనం ఇక్కడ? And. Before the vowels. Vowels ఏంటి చెప్పండి? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Before the vowels we have to use and. Next, ink. I-N-K, ink. What's first letter of ink? First letter is I. I is vowel or consonant? What are consonants? Yeah, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. What are these? These are consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 consonants are there. These are consonants. Okay. Now see, I is the vowel or consonant? I is the vowel now. I is the vowel now. So before the vowel sound, we have to use and. We have to use and. Next, owl. O-W-L, owl. What is first letter of owl? What is the first letter? O. O is the vowel or consonant? చెప్పండి. O vowel or consonant? ఇవన్నీ consonants, ఇవి vowels. Vowel or consonant? Vowel. O is the vowel. So what we have to use? We have to use and. Before the vowel, we have to use and. Now did you understand? We have to use a before the consonant. We have to use and before the vowel. Okay? Very good, Nana. I'll give some more examples. And now see, Nana. Dash. P-I-G, pig. Dash, pig. What is first letter of pig? P. P. P is a vowel or consonant? P is the consonant. Here is the P. Here is the P now. So what we have to use? We have to use A. ఎందుకు? This is a consonant. Consonant కాబట్టి మనం ఏం పెట్టాలి ఇక్కడ? A. Next, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What is the first letter of umbrella? First letter is U. First letter is U. U is vowel or consonant? U is a vowel or consonant? A-E-I-O-U. U is the vowel. Before the vowel sound, what we have to use? And. Isn't it? Vowel mundu em pettali manam ikkada? And. So, an umbrella. Okay? Next, G-U-N, gun. What's the first letter of gun? G. G is a vowel or consonant? G ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. Here is G. Vowels లో G ఉందా? Consonant లో ఉందా? G is there in the consonants now? Here is G. So G is a consonant. మరి consonant ముందు ఏం పెట్టాలి మనం ఇక్కడ? A. A gun. Understand everybody? Very good. Now using up the vowels, consonants understand any andarki? A-E-I-O-U are called as vowels. Remaining letters are consonants. Vowel mundemo man and petali, consonant mundo a petali. Okay? Very good. Now using up the repeated one. Repeated. I buy a book. I buy a బుక్. నువ్వేం చేస్తావు? బుక్ కొనుక్కుంటావు. కొంటాను. ఐ బై ఏ బుక్. ఓకే, ఐ రైట్ ఇన్ ద బుక్. ఐ రైట్ ఇన్ ద బుక్. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ దా పెట్టాను? ఇక్కడ ఏ బుక్ అన్నాను, ఇక్కడ దా బుక్ అన్నాను. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ దిస్ బుక్ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్ సెకండ్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో. మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. అగైన్ ఇట్ వాజ్ యూజ్డ్. ఇక్కడ ఐ బై ఏ బుక్ అన్నా. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను? మళ్ళీ బుక్ రిపీట్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ ఐ రైట్ ఇన్ ద బుక్. బుక్ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్ వన్ మోర్ టైమ్. Book is repeated a second time also. At that time we have to use the. Okay, when the word is repeated, then we have to use the. Okay, next. I buy a chocolate. I buy a chocolate. I eat the chocolate. I like to eat the chocolate. I like to eat the chocolate. I like to eat the chocolate. Here I buy a chocolate. ఇక్కడ చాక్లెట్ ముందు నేను ఏం యూజ్ చేశాను? ఏ పెట్టాను ఇక్కడ. సెకండ్ సెంటెన్స్ లో చూడండి. I like to eat the chocolate. ఇక్కడ దా ఎందుకు పెట్టాను? బికాస్ చాక్లెట్ ఈజ్ రిపీటెడ్ సెకండ్ టైం. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఇంకొకసారి కూడా రిపీట్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ చాక్లెట్ అన్నాను, ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే చాక్లెట్ గురించి రిపీట్ చేశాను. సెకండ్ టైం ఇట్ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్. సో ఐ యూజ్డ్ ద. వెన్ ద వర్డ్ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్ ట్వైస్, మనము ఒకదాన్ని ఇంకొక రెండోసారి కూడా రిపీట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు దా యూస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో స్పెషల్ థింగ్స్, స్పెసిఫిక్ వర్డ్స్ లైక్ సన్, particular objects and animals. Here sun is the only one star which is giving light to us, so it is special to us. ఇది మనకి స్పెషల్ కదా. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలి? we have to use the. then we have to use the. The sun. Okay, then moon. Moon is also only one artificial satellite to the earth. Okay, so then also we have to use the. But the special words, the sun, the moon, the stars, at that time also we have to use the. Okay, మళ్ళీ ఎక్కువ సార్లు రిపీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఐ బై ఏ చాక్లెట్, ఐ లైక్ టు ఈట్ ద చాక్లెట్. చాక్లెట్ ట్వైస్ రిపీట్ అయింది. ట్వైస్ థ్రైస్ ఇట్లా మనం ఊరికి రిపీట్ చేస్తాం చూడండి. ఆ టైంలో కూడా మనం దా యూస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ హిమాలయాస్, ఫర్ rivers, the Ganga river, like this. The Ganga river, the Himalayas, the Himalayas. First, some of the special places for the rivers and also for some of the special places we have to use the. Okay, now today's class is completed. Bye. Okay, complete this.